In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on Steam. If you want to enjoy your games without being interrupted by messages or invites, or you simply prefer a little privacy, Steam gives you quick ways to hide your online presence while you keep playing. Start by launching Steam and logging into your account. Once you're in the desktop client, look to the lower right corner of the window for Friends Chat. This opens your friends list and chat panel. At the top of that panel, you'll see your username with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that arrow to reveal your status options. Here's the key choice. Invisible makes you appear offline to everyone else, but you stay fully active on Steam. You can browse your library, start downloads, launch games, and even join multiplayer sessions if the game allows it, all without broadcasting that you're online. Your friends will see you as offline, but you can still send and receive messages, and you'll get chat notifications as usual. Offline, on the other hand, disconnects you from Steam's social features. That means you won't show up online, and you won't receive chat messages or notifications until you come back. If you truly don't want to be disturbed or you want to cut off social activity entirely, offline is the cleanest option. Go ahead and select either invisible or offline based on what you need. The change takes effect right away. If you chose invisible, you'll notice you can keep using every part of Steam, but your friends won't see that you're around. If you chose offline, your friends list will reflect that you're disconnected from chat and social tools until you return. There's also a second, equally simple way to set this. At the top of the Steam window, find the menu bar and click Friends. From that drop-down, choose either offline or invisible. This route is handy if you don't have the Friends chat panel open or you prefer using the top toolbar. That's it, now you appear offline on Steam. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.